Blufx, alternative and comparison, that's what we're discussing in this video. So let's jump straight into it. Up the top, we've got the prop firm and the challenge type. We've got the Traders with Edge Turtle, the Traders with Edge Hair account, the Blufx Lite account, and the Blufx Pro account. Unfortunately, Blufx only has accounts, either $25,000 or $50,000 accounts. It's a bit hard to do a side-by-side comparison, but you can easily do the quick maths and figure it out for yourself when it comes to the cost of the challenge. Let's kick it off with the max account size after scaling. Once you're on a funded account and you're a consistently profitable trader, what they'll do is they'll continue to add funds to your account up until a maximum cap. Prop firms have account scaling, but the ones that do will have a cap on it. And that's what this is referring to. So Traders with Edge, you can trade up to $3 million of our money. With Blufx Lite account, they don't have any scaling. And with the Blufx Pro account, you do have scaling up to $1 million. Do they have rapid scaling? Traders with Edge has rapid scaling and the Blufx Pro account has rapid scaling. If you're on the website traderswithedge.com, you go to challenges, scaling plans. We've built a page that describes the difference between the organic scaling and the rapid scaling plans. There's a video there that walks through it. There's some examples. You can see some charts as to how much faster a rapid scaling grows than an organic or traditional type scaling plan. And further down the bottom of the page, you'll see there's another video and a calculator that we've built there for you. You can select your account size and you can go through and change the inputs of the calculator to see just how much more you would make with a rapid scaling account versus a traditional type scaling account. So back to our Blufx alternative and comparison. If we keep scrolling down, you'll see the number of phases of the account. Traders with Edge Turtle account is a one-phase account. That means you trade for a period of time. When you pass the metrics that we'll cover in a moment, you then go to a funded account and you're eligible for a profit split. Traders with Edge Hair is a two-phase account. So there's two steps that you've got to go through to receive trader funding. With the Blufx accounts, it's instant funding. So you do receive the account to trade straight away. However, when you look at the pricing model, it may or may not work out better in your favor, depending on how you like to trade. The pricing, equivalent in US dollars, it's $750 for the Traders with Edge Turtle account, and that's for a $100,000 account, remember. The Traders with Edge Hair account is $590 for the $100,000 account. The Blufx Lite account, it's only a $25,000 account, but it's $106 per month. So if you multiply that by 4, you'll get how much you need to pay with Blufx, and you need to pay that every month. Traders with Edge, the $750 or the $590, it's a one-time fee, and it is refundable on the Traders with Edge Hair account. The Blufx Pro account is a $50,000 account, and that is $267 per month. 267 times 2, you'll end up with approximately $534 that you need to pay every month to trade an equivalent of a $100,000 account. Is the fee refundable? It's not refundable with the Traders with Edge Turtle account. It's because it's a one-phase challenge and you can get funded within 10 days. Traders with Edge Hair account is a two-phase challenge. It takes a little bit longer to get funded, but you do receive a refund once you are funded. So you go through the two phases of the challenge. When you're eligible for your first payout, you then receive a refund of the $590 that you paid to do the challenge, along with your first payout. Blufx does not offer any refund at all because it's a subscription that you need to pay for that. Target for phase 1, the target's 10% for the turtle and 10% for the hair. With the Blufx account, you've got to make 5% before you're eligible for a withdrawal. Target for phase 2 is not applicable for the Traders with Edge Turtle because it's a one-phase account. You'd already be funded. The Traders with Edge Hair is a two-phase account. So for the second phase, you need to make 5% profit to pass and get funded. For the Blufx Lite and the Blufx Pro account, it's not applicable. The maximum drawdown is 5% for the Traders with Edge Turtle. The maximum drawdown for the Traders with Edge Hair is 10%. Blufx Lite is 10%, and the Blufx Pro account is 10% also. The daily maximum drawdown is 2.5% on the Turtle. It's 5% on the Hair, and it's not applicable on the Blufx account. Traders with Edge offers an 80% profit share. So what this means is if you're trading a $100,000 account and you make $10,000, you keep 80% of that, which is $8,000. With Blufx, you keep just 50% of the profits. The minimum trading days for phase 1 is 10 minimum trading days for Traders with Edge. It's not applicable with the Blufx. Minimum trading days for phase 2 is only applicable to the Traders with Edge Hair account, and the minimum trading days is 10 days. days. The trading period for phase 1, for a Turtle account, it's 365 days, so you've got a full year to pass. With the Traders with Edge Hair account, you've got 30 days to pass, and Blufx, it's not applicable once again. Trading period for phase 2, you've got 60 days to pass the Traders with Edge Hair account for phase 2. Can you hold over weekends? Yes, you can hold over weekends with the Traders with Edge Turtle account. You cannot hold over weekends with any of the other accounts. Can you use EAs? Yes, you can use EAs with approval from Traders with Edge. Just contact us first. Once approved, you're good to go. Do they allow signals for trading? Yes, Traders with Edge allows signals. Blufx does not. Can you trade news? Yes, you can on both companies, all accounts. Do you get a free retry? You don't get a free retry on the Turtle account or the Blufx accounts. It doesn't make sense because you'd already be on a funded account. The Traders with Edge Hair account, yes, you do get a free retry. How this works is if the time expires on a challenge phase, your account is in profit and you didn't violate any rules, then you're eligible for a free retry and that will automatically come out to you. Can you trade Forex? Yes, you can on all accounts. Can you trade digital currencies? Yes, you can on Traders with Edge. You cannot on Blufx. Can you trade commodities? Yes, you can on all accounts. Can you trade indices? You can on Traders with Edge. You cannot on Blufx. Can you trade share and stock CFDs? Yes, you can on Traders with Edge. You cannot on Blufx. Do they have trading competitions? Traders with Edge has trading competitions from time to time. You can go to the website, you sign up, you then trade against other traders online, and the top traders typically win a free challenge account. Do they have giveaways? Yes, Traders with Edge has giveaways. An example of a giveaway that we ran recently, you could enter your name and email address and potentially win one of 3 $50,000 prop challenge accounts. That's just an example of a giveaway that we've run recently. It doesn't mean that this giveaway is active at the time of making this video. Just check on the website to see if we have any giveaways at the time. Do they have trader education? Traders with Edge does. Yes, Blufx does not. Do they have an affiliate program? Traders with Edge has an affiliate program. So if you refer someone to us, we will pay you up to 20% of what they spend at Traders with Edge for the lifetime of the referral. So if you refer someone today and they make a purchase in 1 year's time or 3 years' time, then it's kind of like having a passive income where we will pay you commission on that referral. Blufx has an affiliate program. It pays 10%, and I believe that's one time. So they'll only pay you for the first referral. So that concludes our alternative to Blufx and the review. If you've got any questions, please go to the website traderswithedge.com, speak to us on live chat, or leave a comment below the video, and have an awesome day.